Okay. Alright, let's go. First one. We are back with another rod review. What I have here in my hand is the Diablo. A Diablo 6 to 7 ounce, and it's a 14.6 foot, so it's 420 centimeter in length. Alright?
36.
So that we also, but we're not just quiet.
Okay, now start now.
Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna cast this 13.6 now on that pelty here. Right, so we're gonna cast this rod now. Here on this pelty. And then I'm gonna give my review. It's in on this pelty, so we must cast Coco. We must cast Coco here. So I'm gonna cast this rod. It's a 13.6 foot. I don't think I'll get a lot of distance, but we must see. We're also pairing it with a Malvaceous Saltiga OPL. Silver and black. It's a 30, right? And this reel is also going for sale. So if you want to, just message, put your just message in the comments, and then yeah, we can make a sale for you. Alright, this reel is for sale. Look how beautiful this reel looks. Malvaceous, eh? Minimal scratches, and you're gonna see now I cost 450 meters of this thing. Let's go. So as you can see, boys, this Blue Marlin, the butt is much longer than the Nemesis. It's the Nemesis whole butt is like this much, and see it's like an extra 10 centimeters on here. But yeah, I think the only thing I can say about the Nemesis, about the Diablo, is the oogies. It's I think this is 16s. Yeah, this is 16s or 20, and then from here onwards it's 16, and then it gets smaller and smaller, much smaller. I like when my when all my guides from from here would be 16s, like this size would be right through. Just for the knot and for the leader to go smoothly through. I think that's the only thing, but otherwise a blank feels liquor. But I'm gonna cast it now. Remember what I said, we're keeping our drop nice and long. Keeping our drop nice and long, as long as that drop. And when we do it, we're standing straight, and then we're moving like that backwards. Our sinker is getting like the back of us. So yeah, let's go. Let's get our hands is like that. Everyone across. Yeah. Look, yeah. Let's see how far we cast it now. Let's go. Right, boys, we're gonna make another cast now. We're gonna make another cast now.
Ja, je must wait. Someone open. Nee, er will gat in die mense se kop.
You're gonna make that quick, and why is gonna be better. Then that's not go quicker through.
Ah.
But I feel like I'm not loading him properly, man.
Because it's a shorter rod. Not just a shorter rod. But how does it feel?
Nah, it feels more vicious. Look at the action is proper. Like the recovery from this rod, from here, I can feel the recovery is quite wobbly. But I can feel, man, he's too cut. 14.6 papa, then it's 350 meters. But yeah, we're gonna try him again. Yo, this is real though, my bro. This is real, my bro. He just has, he spun, he really stop. But I'm gonna make it looser. Get a bit looser. You see, he's tight. He's a bit. He's tight. Keep him a bit. Los now. Los now. Look at this spot. I was cutting the crossing a bit into the windows.
Yeah. This is worth the win.
Ah, this is worth the win. cause Mara's coin is so.
You're gonna try your own car. Sir. Karre in sy moeder.
That felt good. That felt good. But I feel like I can still. Oh, look at the thing. It's not here.
Breed.
Braid, yeah. I just feel it go through. Yo, it braided like a korban, miss. Alright, let's go. Let's go see how far he went. That cost was less actually. 140. But yeah. The Ablo 13.6. Blue Marlin. Blue Marlin always makes quite a lot. With a nice Saltiga. No, what is this? 0.4, no? Camo. And feels like a 0.5 liter. Alright. Yeah. So yeah, there's your Diablo review. Safe Owens, enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe. And tomorrow the cup is gonna flip. So I hope to see you on the beach.
We're fishing tomorrow.
I hope I can. I want to fish tomorrow.
You're fetching me to fish tomorrow.
Yeah. Because during the day, there's your kid.